What's up, my loved ones? How are you? It's your girl, CC. I'm just me. Coming at you with another banger. Y'all, today, it's morning time. I want to try this nature cereal that I saw Lizzo. I saw it on TikTok. That's the oven, y'all. I saw Lizzo. I saw it on TikTok, so I wanted to try it. So we're gonna try it today. So you gotta have some pomegranates. Pick them myself. Put some pomegranates in here. It's a couple pom. No, let me put this back a little bit. And then you gotta have your. Everything is so. Okay. Oh, your trio. So this is the trio. The trio. And the coconut milk. Okay, y'all get some blackberries, throw some strawberries in it. Need some big strawberries, but I like my whole like that. Some raspberries, and throw some blueberries in it. Throw some of them blueberries. Throw some blueberries in there. That looks good. I ain't gonna lie. That look good. This how your cereal look. Most people say it's like not a blend up smoothie, basically. Okay, my coconut milk it's really cold. It's like almost to the point it's frozen. Okay. Let's taste this nature Valley cereal. Let's taste it. It's a coconut water for me. I see that. The pomegranate just bust in your mouth. Got blackberry up on there. Alright. I like it with the raspberry. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. And the punch is the pomegranate. Oh, my head everywhere this morning. I gotta go work later on. So I gotta fix it before I go to work. I'm really looking cute when I leave. I'm really looking cute. Trust me, y'all. Okay. I think it was a guy on TikTok that originally did the nature cereal. This is so good. The kids eating granola cereal. Mm-hmm. Wow. If y'all got this song, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. And hit that notification bell. Ding. So you can be aware of what your girl is doing next. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This is really good. Now, I know some people, if y'all try it, they're not going to get with the pomegranate if y'all haven't ate pomegranate seeds, because it's like a little green, but it gives you a pop in your mouth. So, but I would definitely try this with some other cereal. I mean, some other fruit. So, this is one for TikTok. Okay, TikTok. Y'all messed me up with that watermelon and mustard. Y'all messed me up with that one. But this one's not bad at all. Now, now y'all seen how I eat. Now y'all saw that cereal. Let me show you how I eat cereal. Bam. Yeah, maple pecan crunch. Flax plus. Oh. Now y'all saw how TikTok eat it. Now y'all see how I eat mine. Throw a couple of these up on there. Not too much. Just a little sprinkle. Just a little sprinkle. Y'all see that? Maple pecan crunch. Oh, excuse me, y'all. And then y'all get up that cinnamon peanut butter granola. You gotta have that in y'all. TikTok, yeah, y'all did. That was good. But this is, you don't put too much. You just put a little couple little sprinkles of that. Just a little. I swear these flies is getting on my nerves. But I had crabs the other day, so yeah, I was outside eating some crabs with the kids. Left the door open. You know how we do. And well, we leave the door open all the time, so you know how it be. That almond milk. Gotta pour that almond milk. Bam. Yeah, this is how I do my cereal. Okay. Yeah. This cereal right here. try it. I swear, probably you won't be satisfied at all. Look at that. Look at that. You got your pecan. Wow. If y'all try this, best cereal in the world. You got good stuff. And you got good stuff. And the back here tell you what it got in there. That's what it got in there, yeah. That's all. It is. Basically, I just had cereal and fruit salad for breakfast. And y'all wondering, where can y'all get that cereal from? I don't know if y'all got one, but I got my Whole Foods. You might got them at Publix, you know. I know Atlanta and Texas, I've got Publix. They might got it there. Look up the cereal and find it when it got it. You know, it gotta be this granola brand. Now we eat other granola brand, but with this cereal, this one. Or just get cinnamon peanut butter granola. It might taste the same. Bang, bang. This is how you get your morning started. Okay. You get your morning started with this. So y'all, if y'all do try it, comment down below and tell me how did it taste? Or was it the best thing in the world? So for me, it's the best thing in the world. For me. You know, I might hit the cheese in that order. And I drink my milk too. I don't let none of mine go to waste. Who, when you got like a little bit of milk left, who get the cereal Get this cereal. Put a little teeny bit more in there. And you'll just put a little dot more. Not that much, just so you can get your fly it out of here. See, that's why I'm about to open the door so y'all can go back out. So you can get all your milk. Anybody does it? Anybody do that? No, this is just me. When I got time, that's what I do. Um, yum, no, y'all, yum. TikTok, the nature cereal. I think his name was Nature something. I forgot. Turn that TV down. I think it was Nature something. That's was off the chain. I like the cereal. I will actually do it again. You know, with the oh, you gotta put this in there. Make sure. Hope I get a good thumbnail. Hopefully that's a good thumbnail. But that can't beat out this with your granola. Both of them was delicious. I think y'all should try both of them. Y'all already know I love y'all. I miss y'all. Mwah.
Oh, okay.